I'm in a part of the house that hardly anybody ever visits. I'm talking about the furnace room. It is scary down here, I guarantee. Let me tell you a little bit of a story. We hear every fall we should do furnace tune-ups, not only for our safety, but also to save money and to lengthen the life of the equipment. At Mother Tobin's home last year, her furnace was about a year old, and I said, Mom, I'm going to call Anthony Plumbing and Heating and Cooling and have them come out and do a furnace tune-up. No, son, I don't need to do that. It's only a year old. It's just no big deal. No, I feel a lot better. So I called him, and the technician from Anthony came out, and Mom was right. No big deal. Nothing was really wrong with the furnace. He just looked at it. But let me tell you what happened, and this just makes the hair stand on my neck. He came up to me and he said, I found a slow gas leak in your mom's water heater. And I said, you're kidding. He says, it could be serious. I've got it fixed, but it could have been serious. And this is what I'm talking about. This is one of the most dangerous pieces of equipment out there. And you need to find somebody that you can trust your life. And I'm serious about this, because when a technician works on this, babe, you're trusting your life to them. Carbon monoxide poisoning, fires. So my favorite Plumbing, Heating, and Cooling, and my mom's favorite, Anthony Plumbing, Heating, and Cooling, call them every year. And I'm serious about that. You call them every year.